Hi guys, TimeUpsBoy63 here. I'm back with another video, and today I'm going to be putting a black web screen protector on my Samsung Galaxy S7. So I guess this could be an unboxing video, but let's get started. So, there are these two little pieces of tape on each side. And if I can just pull it apart like this. Oh, there goes that. Comes with this stuff. And now it appears that, what is this? Oh. Okay, let's take everything out. There's nothing else in the case. So, right here is just a sticker, I guess. I don't know what that's for. If you guys know what this blue thing is that comes in a lot of screen protector packages, please let me know, but I don't. Anyways, it comes with this screen wipe off thing that you use to wipe off your phone screen before you put a screen protector on. And then it comes with this. Oh my gosh. This little black web packet. And in this packet, there's nothing except these. It like tells you how to put it on, which I put many of them on so I know how. So, oh wait, and here's the actual screen protector. So let's get started. Let me open this. This is different. I've never saw one of these. So this is apparently a screen wipe. I'm not going to use this in this video, but that is cool. So here's the screen wipe off. So let's get started. Let me kind of clean up my area a little bit. Boo. I need this, that. This is what we need. So that does not come off. How do I get? Does it come off this way? Yes. Ooh. Here it is. This is a Galaxy S7 screen protector. And here's the case it was shipped in. Okay, so does it... Okay, so that way. Now, the first step is to take the case off your phone. So, let me go ahead and take this off. Alright, so now, this is going to be a little hard to put on, but it will go like this. Yeah, it will go like this. So, I'm going to put this on. I tried to get it lined up on this table. Okay, so that's how it needs to be. The wonderful sound. Nothing. So, wait, this is, yes. So, before we put this on, we have to go ahead and wipe off the screen. So, let's use this rag it came with and wipe it off. You have to try to get every piece of it wiped off so there won't be anything under the screen. And once you're done with that, you're going to put the screen protector on. All wiped off, and let's get started. So hard to find this. It blends in with the table. Anyways, if I go ahead and attempt to put this on.
Well, you evidently were. There's a sock there.
Okay, so I am putting it on. If I go ahead, right now I'm trying to get all the bubbles out of the screen. And there's this really annoying one right in the middle. You get these out. And there is actually an air bubble I can't get out right here in the middle, which is very annoying. Ugh. I'll get back. Okay, so I did get the case back on. I mean, screen protector. And it's looking better. I got an air bubble out. So now let's put it on my case again and let's compare how well it works. So I'm currently putting it in my case. And it looks well. So in my last video, I did one with this case, and it has this little cake stand, which I like. Oh, I have case pieces all over the place. Here's a piece, 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 and here's a piece, here's a piece. There are pieces all over the place. And like I said, if you do know what this blue thing goes to, please tell me in the comments. But anyways, I've been TimeLapseBoy63. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And hit the notification bell. Bye.